We all know that a new trend is food is always around the corner, and Pantone's color of the year will affect design. I want to challenge you to go beyond that. Here's what I mean. Trade show activation. Similar to my experience, what trade show have you attended where someone did something cool? Even if it was a small activation, it could be the sparks for you to create something larger with that in mind. Look to other industries. Realtors host open house every weekend. They don't do the full food and beverage and decor we do, but they are hosting events. They are bringing people together for shared experience with a specific goal to sell the house, just like we do as an event professional. This is one example, but what could we learn from the car sales industry or manufacturing? Assembly line for a new toy could inspire an assembly line for food service, building your own sushi roll, or swag bag creation, or a variety of other on-site activity. Inspiration manufacturing implementation events. In addition to Pinterest and external sources, think of your own past experience and what other industries are doing daily for inspiration, and how those ideas could be repurposed, expanded, or totally redesigned for your event mission.